Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got an incredibly cool mini electric screwdriver kit that I think you're going to like an awful lot. It's from a company called Fanttik, and it's the E2 Max. Now, I spent a lot of time around modern electronics and gadgets and other DIY projects, and if you've ever tried to take anything apart or even take a battery cover off a kid's toy, you'll immediately figure out that the screws are tiny and they're impossible to remove. This product fixes all that. So it's got 50 different bits. It's got the standard Phillips and flat and split finger and Torx and all the other security bits you'll need. It's got an electric screwdriver, but the best part about this kit is that everything you need to disassemble those products is inside this beautiful rectangle. It's really well built. It's got an aluminum exterior, and one of the cool features is the way it opens. Now, nothing pops out on its own, but if you need to get inside, you basically just touch the top and it pops open. There's the screwdriver, again electric, and here are the bits. It's like a little tower that you can spin around with the 50 bits. All of those bits are S2 steel, so they're going to last forever, and you've got a good variety of different sizes of Phillips and flats and Torx and split finger and a bunch of other bits on there. You can pop off the ones you need. The other thing they built in, which I think is really cool, is that if you're trying to get inside any kind of electronics, you need some kind of pry bar, so they've included a really heavy-duty pry bar, and they've also included a set of tweezers, and they're not just regular tweezers, they're ESD tweezers. So if you're working around electronics, no worry about static electricity. This is great for picking up a screw you've dropped inside something or move wires out of the way. So really the kit is pretty complete. And in addition to that, these are all magnetically attached. You basically, to remove them, will touch the tip of one like that. It pops out, you can grab the bit, put it in the screwdriver, and you're good to go. They've also built in a little chamber right there where you can remagnetize the tips or anything else you need to use to pick up those screws inside a piece of gear. Now, the actual screwdriver itself is beautiful in the hand. It's easy to hold. You've got a forward and back button right there, and you've got 3 adjustments on the back. You've got 0.05 Newton per meter, 0.2, and 0.4. So you can adjust the torque at how hard it drives the screw back into the electronics. It's also got a light on the front, so when you turn it on, you've got a beautiful light so you can see what's going on inside the electronics. And the best part for me is that they've designed a kit that is absolutely beautiful. So if you need technology, you're around technology, and you need to disassemble it, you couldn't find a better kit than this. You've got all 50 bits you need. It's got an 800 milliampere hour battery inside, so it's going to run for a long time. You can charge it off a standard wall charger. I just think Fanttik has done a phenomenal job with this product. I love the engineering. I love the design. I just love the functionality of it. So hopefully you found this quick review helpful. It's the Fanttik E2 Max.